Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like and it feels like
Alright guys, so Kai and I just got to Treasure Beach. We just got to Katamah Guesthouse and we were showed to our room, which is called Saida. This is what the room looks like from the outside, and I'm gonna do a room tour and show you guys, because that was a comment that was made last time, and unfortunately I didn't get to do a proper room tour because we got there late and it was just really dark, and you know, things happen. But today I'm making sure we get some proper footage of the room before a hurricane goes through and all our stuff is all over the place. So stay tuned for that. And sorry, I'm really trying to focus on the camera being right here and not right here. So if you see me looking down on this side, please forgive. If you see me looking up here, please forgive me. All right.
he's on my mind almost of the time, picking away at my thoughts like it's his day job. He's there for me when I'm not in need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige, and then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be. I tell him no, no, but he won't have it any other way. He likes his petals plucked and his leaves laid. Why did he choose me?
Alright, so as you saw from the B-roll, I hope the B-roll came out good. It's a very beautiful room. I believe the whole place has Moroccan inspirations, like Moroccan styled decor, as you can see from, you know, the side table. Well, technically those are side tables, but the little coffee table or the book table, it's really pretty, even from the carpets and the tile in the ground. There's your little closet where you can hang up your clothes and, you know, your shelves. You can fold stuff, and you can put some shoes in there. Every room has a fridge, or it has a kitchenette, and then the bathroom has everything you need, your towels and rags, everything you need. I really like this mirror. Hi guys. I'm gonna turn off the light now to preserve energy. And the closet as well. But I really like this bed. You got the fan right above you. When you're ready to go to sleep, you'll be all set. And you have your blinds. There's a specific name for this, guys, but you obviously know that it's to keep mosquito and other bugs out. But it's definitely like a princess styled bed, a canopy bed. I really like how it's made. It's like made up into the ceiling instead of actually on the bed itself. It's hanging from the ceiling. Ooh, and it looks like someone made this, because these are pipe type things. This is a great DIY. whoever made this needs to tell me the measurements so I can make it myself. This is very smart. Wow, this is very smart. Anyways, but this is my room. This will be where Kai and I and Jackson will be spending our 2 days. And this is our beautiful view. Ready? Jackson! Hi! Yeah, so it's so calming. Yes, girl. Alright, guys, we're about to bring our stuff in the room. I know you forgot that. Well, we're gonna bring our stuff in the room. And they got books over here. I wonder if they have The Alchemist. It's one of my favorite books. They have Wake. I read all of these books. Guys, I read all of these. Chosen, Marked, Untamed. Wow. I'm gonna have to see if there's any other books that I read. Right? I read, ooh, they have Nicholas Sparks too.
I brought my you know, I could bring the weights. I was gonna bring the weights. And I said, you know what?
For the morning workout.
Yeah, but I think I bring my waistband.
Let me know if you see any books that you recognize. Here's a canopy. You can lay down and read some books. And they have other couches. Wow, this is nice. Some chairs out here. I'm gonna get videos of everything, guys, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of stuff.
Listen to me. You're not gonna come here for none of them stuff.
Jackson, you having fun?
Having a blast. You having a blast, Papa?
Alright, guys. Oh, they got an outdoor shower.
The other shower?
I think.
But not in the sheets. I couldn't see him. Don't look him in the eye. So when he enters, it catches me by surprise. So it's everywhere. So it floods, overflowing from my eyes. So it's everywhere. So it floods, and I think I like it, and I think I'll let it. It comes in waves. It comes in waves. It comes in waves.
Kai and the baby's playing.
No, he doesn't like the sand. You don't like the sand? He doesn't like the sand at all.
No, Jackson!
Because he was walking fine. And as him company, imagine the beach. He's not gonna like it at all.
Yeah, because people like this.
Yeah.
It sounds good to you, little shoes.
I didn't feel it.
I
Maybe
didn't
it's the texture.
He doesn't like it, no.
He doesn't like the texture.
It comes in waves. It comes in waves. It comes in waves. It comes in waves. It comes in waves.
Guys, can you imagine? Look how beautiful. Ah! I'm gonna have so much fun filming out here. This really is like I'm in Morocco. I am in Morocco. It's very beautiful on the beach. Footprints in the sand. How could we get any more cliche? This is really nice. Wow. I want to get you guys some amazing content. So stay tuned for amazing content. I have all the information regarding the guest house down below. There's a lot. There's also a day pass. I will try to let you know about as many of the rooms as possible, you know, what's included. And then also we'll be getting food from restaurants in the area, and Pelican Bar is not too far away from here. I believe it's like 15-20 minute boat ride. Unfortunately, we got here late, and as soon as we got here, it was like 15 minutes prior to us reaching, the boat had left. So hopefully there's a boat going out tomorrow, so I can get on that and show you guys Pelican Bar, because that's been one of my goals, to go to Pelican Bar. But so far this is beautiful. I can't even, like, all these pictures. I'm ready to relax. I'm ready to do yoga. I'm ready to read my notes. I'm ready to lay in the hammock and enjoy my time. I'm ready to kick back and sunbathe. It's gonna be really nice. And I'm ready to film for you guys and show you beautiful Jamaica. Hey Jackson! Hey! Wow, this is so beautiful. We're gonna be doing yoga up here, guys, tomorrow. Alright, my goal for recording Katamah Guest House is to get some B-roll, some beautiful B-roll of the place. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of that in the video. You're not gonna be seeing much of me talking. So yeah, there's a lot to film, there's a lot to show, so hopefully I can accomplish that goal. So from here on out, I hope you enjoy that. Also, please make sure you like this video, subscribe for more beautiful videos of touring Jamaica, of touring homes in Jamaica, of showcasing beautiful stays in Jamaica. Subscribe for more amazing content and just everyday lifestyle videos. Yeah. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Katamah Guest House thus far. Let me know what you are excited about. Let me know the first thing that caught your eye, and if you would stay here, please let me know down below in the comments. I hope I didn't sound like a airplane air hostess or something. But yeah, listen to the waves.
It's called a tail, a T-A-I-L. It's called a tail.
Guys, I'm in class, so we're gonna go on a little break,
let me not tell you any tall
and then I'll be
tales.
back. But the room is still really cute. There are the lights, there's some lights up top. Got the breeze from outside and the fan. But I should be paying attention to class, so I'll be right back. And Jackson's in his class, so we all learning.
The exposed end.
Guys, I'm running a lot late. My class just ended and we just got finished getting ready, but we're heading in now. And I feel so bad for being late. I'm so sorry. My class just finished. Everybody looks so amazing. Nice to meet you too. Sorry, my online class just ended. Hello, good night.
That's so cool. Awesome.
Welcome. Well, there's some food over here. There's food. There'll be some seating over here for you guys.
Okay.
You look so beautiful. Thank you. We're hearing everything from the room, and it's very beautiful. Oh, nice, perfect. I'm so glad. Remember? Come with me. Alright guys, so I'm sharing out my food right now. It's an open kitchen, so everyone can feel comfortable and come in. That's another thing I wanted to tell you guys, that you can feel comfortable to bring food to cook for yourself if you want. Even though the rooms have kitchenettes and mini fridge, they have a community kitchen. So don't feel any way by bringing your own food. It's more than welcome. For tonight, we got curry chicken, rice and peas, and we have brown stew chicken, which I'm only gonna take one piece. There's only one piece left. I'm gonna take. Well, there's 2 pieces. I'm gonna take one. It's really nice. It's really beautiful. You can hear the waves and everything. So, really nice.
I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. Surrender to love. Surrender to love. Surrender to love. Surrender. Can't take my eyes off of you. I love you, baby. What around? I need you, baby. On the lonely nights, I love you, baby. Whoa, yeah. We're gonna have a party, yeah. All night long, all night long.
Alright guys, this place is so beautiful. Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you like it. It's beautiful. Alright guys, so I know you can't really see much because it's really dark, but when I tell you this, you hear the waves. Oh my gosh. We're gonna see all of this tomorrow, so I'm just here to talk to you guys. And oh, look at the waves, it's so beautiful. All right, I'm too excited. You can't really see, but it's beautiful. I'm telling you, take it from me.
In need, pestering me till I can't speak no more. He says he needs me, and I oblige. And then I sink into his bed of lies. He says he wants me, but who knows? The taste of salt runs from my nose. He wants to be. I tell him no, no, but he won't have it any other way. He likes his petals plucked and his leaves laid. Why did he choose me? I'm a fighter, but not in the sheets. I couldn't see him, don't look him in the eye. So when he enters, it catches me by surprise. So it's
Who not? Tell me who rock, who sell on the swords. You tell me who cop the blue drop, who jewels got blocks, who's mostly dope, she down to the two drop. The same old temp, base, you know ain't nothing changed.
You guys can't see the rain, but it's raining. You can see the aftermath of the rain, which is the wet floors. But we're here socializing, talking. People are recording. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do not see me for the rest of the night, then I will see you tomorrow morning bright and early.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so we're playing Cards Against Humanity now.
It's a pity that kids these days are all getting involved with blank.
Wow. It's a pity these days kids are all getting involved with blank.
Okay, alright. Let me pick. I'm about to pick something, guys. I think I'm funny, so I'm about to pick something funny.
2 hours later.
Alright, guys, we're still playing Cards Against Humanity. Everybody is getting real. Oopsies. Hold on.
Wow. Y'all took it there.
Instead of coal, Santa now gives the bad children dick pics.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
1 hour later.